Alright, let's find our way over. There's a big ass truck over here before we get down that Caprice down there. Look at this big boy. It's F350. Look at that sucker. Oh. Hell yeah. One big ass vehicle. Corvette. All kinds of them. Look at that bad boy. I have no idea what video this is. I'm doing a lot of it anyways. Oh my, look at that bad boy. Someone's got too much time on their hands. Oh my. Dead body man, big churn. Nice. Look at that boy. This Cutlass. Nice. I guess. I thought it was a Cutlass, I guess not. Bella. Nice. Nice vehicle. All kinds of interesting vehicles as usual. Oh, so many. 96, not that boy. The pumpkin car, what do you want to call it? Camaro SS. Trans Ams. Look at that bad boy right over there. Bunch. Continental. Big boy. Silverado. Javelins yet. Kind of pisses me off. I haven't seen it yet. El Camino, 250. see a lot of Malibus, a ton of them, a lot of Mustangs and Camaros. That's a little cool one over there. The Pontiac. It's too bad after the crash to get rid of all the Pontiacs. That's a nice one. Grand Am, assisted to the Monty. The guy who had a white one. Very nice. See another Impala in my distance there, red one. I see a Super Sport coming my way. Look out! Over here. Yep. 327. It is 65 Chevy. SS. There's your tray. Put it on the old window. French fries, ice cream, ice cold Coca-Cola. There you go. Nice. Yeah, Pontiac 400 full in the lowly. Nice. That was huge. That bad boy right there. That's a nice one. Hear music coming up, so I'm going to cut this one a little short here momentarily. Like an AC/DC thunderstruck coming up, so I'll probably keep this under 10 minutes. We get closer and closer. Hear it. And here momentarily. Yeah, I can hear it coming. So anyways, guys. Thunderstruck. As you can see, they have all kinds of fun stuff here. So walk back this way a little bit, get it to 10 minutes, and we'll kind of cruise back that way. So Monte Carlo over here. Right here, it's classic Monte Carlo. So anyways, we'll end it. There's AC/DC playing in the background. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed that video. maybe one more. We'll see what happens.